Okay, Salwa. Today we will look at the present perfect tense. So I will ask you a question and you will answer in the affirmative. You will just say yes. With every single question, you will answer yes, yes, yes. Okay?
Okay.
Even if it's not true, just say for yes for now. So let's go. Have you ever been to Mecca?
Yes, I have been to Mecca.
I have been to Mecca.
I have been to Mecca.
Very good. Have you ever been to Medina?
Yes, I have been to Medina.
Have you ever been to London?
Yes, I have been to London.
Have you ever been to Madrid?
Yes, I have been to Madrid.
I have been to.
Yes, I have been to Madrid.
Have you ever been to Lisbon?
Yes, I have been to Lisbon.
Have you ever been to Rome?
Yes, I have been to Rome.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris.
Okay, now I will ask you the same questions again, and you will answer in the negative. You will say,
Okay.
no, I have never been to Mecca, even if it's not true. It's okay. So we are just practicing the language, yeah? So have you ever been to Mecca?
No, I have never been to Mecca.
I have never been to Mecca.
I have never been to Mecca.
And remember, I have never been to Mecca means I have never gone to Mecca. Go went gone.
Okay.
Okay. Have you ever been to Medina?
No, I have never been to Medina.
Okay. Have you ever been to London?
No, I have never been to London.
Never, never.
Never been to London.
Never is strong. Never, ne.
Never been to London.
Okay. Have you ever been to Madrid?
No, I have never been to Madrid.
Have you ever been to Lisbon?
No, I have never been to Lisbon.
Never been, never been.
Never been to Lisbon.
Have you ever been to Rome?
No, I have never been to Rome.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I have never been to Paris.
Okay, good. So what is Mecca?
Mecca is a city.
Yeah, say it's a city.
It's a city.
Yes, look at the picture. This is Mecca. This is Mecca.
Yes.
These are the pictures of Mecca. So where is Mecca?
Mecca is Arabia Saudi.
Is in Saudi Arabia.
Is in Saudi Arabia.
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 Yeah, Saudi Arabia. So Mecca is in Saudi Arabia. What is
Mecca
Medina?
Medina is a city. It's a city.
And where is it?
It's
It's in Saudi Arabia too.
sorry?
It's in Saudi Arabia too.
It's inside the Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia
Saudi Arabia
too.
too.
Yeah, so it's in Saudi Arabia. This is Medina, yeah? These are the
Yeah.
pictures of Medina. Yeah. So it's in Saudi Arabia. So Mecca is in Saudi Arabia and Medina is in Saudi Arabia too.
Yes.
Say, can you repeat?
Mecca is
Is
inside the
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
And Medina?
Medina it's
Medina
inside Medina it's inside
Medina is
Medina is
in Saudi Arabia too.
it's in Saudi Arabia too.
Again, Medina is
in Saudi Arabia too.
Good. Okay. Now, what is London?
London is a city.
Where is it?
Is it
It's
England?
It's
It's
in
England. It's England.
It's in England.
It's in England.
Where's London?
It's in London. It's in England.
You don't need to say London, it's in. Either London is in England or it's in England. Not both together.
London is in England.
London is in England.
London is in England.
Where is London?
London is in England.
Where is it?
Is it in England? It's in England.
Good. What's Madrid?
Madrid is a city.
Where's Madrid?
Madrid is in Spain.
In Spain.
In Spain.
Where's Madrid?
Madrid is in Spain. Spain.
Yeah. Where is it?
In Spain.
Where is it?
Madrid.
I didn't say Madrid. I said where is it? Say it's.
It's in Spain.
Yes, it's in Spain. Where is it?
It's in Spain.
Good. What's Lisbon?
Lisbon, it's a city.
Is a city, not it's. Is. Lisbon is.
Is a city.
Again.
Lisbon is a city.
Good. Where is Lisbon?
Lisbon is in
Portugal.
Lisbon is in Portugal.
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 Portugal. Portugal.
Portugal. Portugal.
Where is it?
Is it?
It's
in Portugal.
It's in Portugal. What's Rome?
Rome is a city. It is a city.
No, when I say Rome, you say Rome. Where is Rome?
Rome is a city.
Rome is a city. Where is it?
Is it Italy? It's in Italy.
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 What's Rome? What's Paris?
Paris is a city.
Where is it?
It's in French.
France.
France.
It's in France.
It's in France.
Very good. Again, where is Mecca?
Mecca is a city.
Where is Mecca? Where is Mecca?
Mecca.
Say it's in.
Sorry?
Answer with the pronoun only. Say it's. Where's Mecca?
It's in Saudi Arabia.
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 Where's Medina?
It's in Saudi Arabia.
Two.
Again,
where's Medina?
Medina, it's in Saudi Arabia too.
Where's London?
It's in England.
Where's Madrid?
It's in Spain.
Where's Lisbon?
It's in Portugal.
Where's Rome?
It's in Italy.
Italy. Where's Paris?
It's in France.
Very good. Where's Barcelona?
It's in Spain.
Where's Dhaka?
It's in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Dash,
not dash. Dash.
Dash.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
No, not dash. Dash is Bengali. English is dash. D-E-S-H. Dash.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay. Now I'll ask you real questions and you will answer honestly, like true answers, okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been to Mecca?
Yes, I have been to Mecca.
I have been to Mecca.
I have been to Mecca.
Have you ever been to Medina?
Yes, I have been to Medina.
Have you ever been to London?
No, I have never been to London.
Have you ever been to Madrid?
No, I have never been to Madrid.
Have you ever been to Lisbon?
No, I have never been to Lisbon.
Have you ever been to Rome?
No, I have never been to Rome.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris.
Good. Have you ever been to Barcelona?
Yes, I have been to Barcelona.
Yeah, you live in Barcelona, so yes. Have you ever been to Saudi Arabia?
Yes, I have been to Saudi Arabia.
Have you ever been to Bangladesh?
Yes, I have been to Bangladesh.
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 Dash.
Desh.
Have you ever been to Dhaka?
Yes, I have been to Dhaka.
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 Have you ever been to India?
No, I have never been to India.
Have you ever been to Pakistan?
No, I have never been to Pakistan.
Yes. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you have been to somewhere, you have gone to this place. Okay. And with this, we will finish this section. We'll study more about these things maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you.